first you're going to move your actuating arm back. You're going to outstroke the pump all the way. So if you have it hooked to water, we suggest taking it off water and just do this separately. Remove the lock knob and the washer and the indicator washer off the micro screw. Now you're going to remove your 594, which you turn that counterclockwise. You're going to push on the end of that micro screw a little bit with a screwdriver or pick to remove that 594. To reassemble the 594, you're going to slide it back in that groove just like it came out. Now you're going to use a small pick or a screwdriver. You're going to get on the thread of the micro screw and pull it back and turn it clockwise to reassemble it. Now you see that hole came out back into view in the micro screw. So now you got to make sure your indicator washer is lined up correctly. So you got the little flat right there. That's going to go in your groove of your guide, and that little point of that arrow needs to be pointing towards your numbers on top of the guide. Screw that in counterclockwise or clockwise to retighten it, snug it up, and you're done. That's your disassembly and assembly of the 594.